For problem statement 2, how does the graph of 4x squared plus 1 differ from the graph of 1/4 x squared minus 3? Now, the first thing I want you to notice is these multiple choice things. Anytime that we do this whole 1 only, 2 only, 1 and 3 only, it starts making it a little bit harder because you can't just start eliminating things anymore. My strategy for doing these is to go through and look at each one and mark it as true or false. If it's false, I'm going to X it out. If it's true, I'm going to put a check mark beside it. And then just compare all of my check marks to all the ones down here and see what happens. Now, as a teacher, I would hope that at this point you know how the 4, the 1, the 1/4, and the -3 are going to affect the parent function. Okay? If you don't remember that, then we can just go to our calculator and go to y equals and type it in. Let's do 4x squared plus 1. In our second y2, we're going to type in 1/4 x squared minus 3. Now be careful whenever you hit the graph button because it's going to graph them in that order, y1, then y2. So hit graph. And it looks like this one here is y1, and the bottom one is y2. So this is our 4x squared, and this is our 1/4 x squared minus 3. Well, let's start comparing now. The vertex of the graph of 4x squared plus 1 is 1 unit higher. Well, if we look in here, I can count 1, 2, 3, 4 units higher. So that's not correct. Option 2, 4 units higher. That one is going to be correct because we just decided on that. Now the graph of 4x squared plus 1 is a vertical stretch. Well, I can see that this thing has been stretched for my parent function. Anything larger than a 1 in front of x squared will make it a stretch. So that one is true as well. Okay, so we've got 2 and 3. Looks like my answer is D.